Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's AI text-to-speech tool. Log in with your account first. There's a default voice for you. You can preview it first. Click this voice to open the voice library. Here, you can browse lots of AI voices in different languages and accents. Click the language button on the right side, and you can directly use keywords to search for the voice you want. Find a proper voice, and click the star icon to mark it. All the marked voices will appear in the favorites window. You can cancel the marked voice by simply clicking the star icon again. After selecting a voice, you can modify the speed and pitch freely. On the right side, enter text in the box. Click play, and the voice you choose will speak the text you entered. You can easily preview and download it. You can add multiple sections if you need, and different sections can use different voices. Click download, and you can select to download all the speeches at the same time or use them to create a stunning video. Open history. Here, you will find all the generated voices with time information. Click one generation, then you can check all the generated voices, download them as a complete audio, edit the speech, or use this generation to make a video. Click the three-dot button to edit, download, or delete this generation. Click select, and you can choose to delete multiple voices at once. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.